See that? Thousand meter, 353. Not the best. However, gonna work on that. Haven't been running for a while because of my condition. But oh my god, that's knackering. I haven't done it for so long. So now we're gonna move on to tire flip. Jesus Christ. No joke, mate. Jesus Christ. Really need to get back into the swing of things. Absolutely knackered. Woo. Couple more to go. Finish off with some heaves. Do some dips. My legs are sleepy. Oh my god. I haven't done this for so long. This is what depression do to you, you know? Put you in a really bad stage. But as I'm saying, do some heaves. Gonna do about 50 heaves, and from there my 2k run. Yeah, let's go. Check this out. I'll show you something real quick. Look on this tree. Absolutely huge. Look at it. Trust me, you don't understand how huge this is. This is absolutely massive. Right, I'll put this down. It's huge. It's massive. Absolutely nothing. So seven hill reps. Oh my days, that's so hard. It's been so long I haven't done this, and I'm absolutely dying for a drink. Gonna do 3 more, and then that's it. Let's go. And that's it. Oh, I'm absolutely dying. No more. Come here, boy. Come here. Don't be scared. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Here. Here you go. Come here. Oh, don't run away. Come on. Oh. Yeah, that was a really, really hard session. I'm just gonna go home, chill out. I might cook something. Turn this. Go home and cook some food. I think I might have, let's see, chicken and couscous. I think that's a good option. Healthy as well with some vegetable. It was a good session today though. Done in total, I would say about 3 miles. Hill reps. Did about in total about 9 hill reps. Bonkers. I'm dying. And I'm gonna be in pain tomorrow. Absolutely killing. Stand by. Yeah. Oh boy, this one got smashed my camel. Gotta get there. No good. Oh, got it.